there's a reservoir of hope in the heart. And that reservoir means water. That water is Paramatma. Paramatma is lying in the heart. And the water of hope. The waters of hope are in the heart. Guha Asha. So Vidura is saying, well, I'm here and Bhagavan's in the heart. How is he going to make all these fantastic arrangements to give me whatever I want? And then he says, that's what he says in the third part of the verse. He says, if you engage in loving devotional service, then you'll be elevated to the highest perfectional stage by the Lord Himself. Swayam vidate swagatim. Swayam vidate swagatim. Swagatim means His place. He Himself, vidate, He will give you, certainly. It's like Vishesh Data. Vishesh, very especially He will give you a place next to Him. Swayam vidate. Right? Swagatim. Swayam means He will arrange it. Swayam Bhagavan Krishna. He will personally do it from within the heart. If you engage in loving service, and He's seated right there. No one could be a closer friend or a dearer friend.